Why do you think the Half Gracie, that first generation of Half Gracie guys were just so great? I mean, yeah, BJ Penn, Dave Camarillo. What was the?
I mean, I think they all made each other good, but really Half had like demanded that they be good, you know, and Half was training a lot himself at that time.
Yeah, yeah.
He was, you know, whatever your opinion of that era of the gym was, like he was like very involved with their training and like really hands on and pushing them to train hard, putting a lot of pressure on them to train hard and win. And you know that
Represent.
it was something that I, you know, as a coach, it's like I don't know what their internal chemistry, you know, was or what the dynamic was like there, because I like
Cameron Earl too, right? And that was at that time.
yeah, totally. It was like he was one of them too, and there's a few others that were really good. There was a guy Brad, who was really good, and yeah, it was just like it was intimidating, like those guys. But that, you know, obviously they was able to bring all them together and, you know, like create the energy in the room. And
because he created that from, like in Brazil, you have, you know, all the years in there, but he created from these guys or from scratch.
From scratch. Where at a time where people didn't even know what jiu-jitsu was, you know, and he demanded that they were like, I mean, they were training at the highest level. Like when Dave and BJ went to Brazil, like they hadn't, you know, they hadn't been around that before, and it was like they were at the highest level, like super technical, also still, you know, very focused at a time when like sport jiu-jitsu was becoming, I think, like more strategic. With like Novo Nyao was like, you know, I mean, those guys were amazing, but they were like very, very good at playing the rules and staying ahead. Like we were talking about Salo.
Yeah,
like they were like the
Salo was like the first guy to add like compete tactics
you know,
and
the
strategy.
Half guys were all like kill or be killed. Then you
yeah,
know,
that's
like
how it
they were
was.
going,
That's
like,
how it was.
just hunting submissions the whole time. Didn't care about points. Yeah, and so like however that, you know, they were able to manage that internal chemistry. Or
what do you think of those days? Because it was like, you know, you went in there to submit, you went there to smash, right? And then tactics, and I don't know if did you watch the Worlds this year? Or
yeah. I mean, you know, some of the Worlds, you know, I saw a lot of people saying that they thought the finals were boring. I didn't think the finals were boring. I thought there was a couple, you know, matches that were, you know, pretty forgettable and a couple tactical mistakes. But like if you look at like Baby Shark and Pato or something, it's like the level's so high, it just kind of negates itself. So that match was, I thought, super exciting to see how, you know, the even though it wasn't close to a submission or even points, it was like, I thought that was a really entertaining match. Tynan, it would be nice if there was like a rival in his division, you know, like if there was Cade in there, or if Jansen was still at that weight, like if you had
that was
big
epic,
rival.
Right? That finals match,
yeah,
a few years back,
or Mika, like would be incredible. But yeah, the